If you want to change widget size on Google Pixel 11, all you have to do is you need to press and hold your finger on the widget for which you want to change the size. There we go. And once you see this additional option, like usually it is remove, then you can also find circles. Sometimes you can find circles on left and right sides, and then you can grab by them to adjust the size of the widget. And in some cases, you can also find dots at the top and bottom. So let's say if I use this widget over here, as you can see now I have dots at the top and at the bottom, so I can use that in order to adjust the size as well. And of course, resizing options can be limited. So in some widgets, like for example, in the widget of this YouTube search bar, we have some limitations in the case of resizing. And in some cases, there is no limit whatsoever, and you can just set up pretty much any size you want to. And in some cases, the widget cannot be resized at all. So of course, it depends on the widget itself, whether you can actually resize it or not. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.